In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Roblox servers with low ping. So for doing this, I recommend that you use the Roblox web browser. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and look for the game that you want to go ahead and get lower ping for. So let's say we wanted to go ahead and play Stickman TD, but we wanted to get as little ping as possible. What we need to do is, first of all, we need to go ahead and just press on it like so. If you are in the web browser, you should see the option over here that does say servers, and there's also going to be a tab that says stores and recommended, so make sure that service is currently turned on. And basically what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down over here to where it says other servers, and basically you want to go ahead and look for servers that have as little people as possible, because those servers typically have lower ping. Alternatively, you could also use a web browser extension such as BT Roblox, which also stands for Better Roblox. You could easily just go ahead and Google it really quickly, and then it is going to bring you to the direct download of Better Roblox, and this will show you the ping of the Roblox servers, and from there you should be able to go ahead and join Roblox servers that do have lower ping. But on top of that, you need to make sure that your internet connection is good and stable. And sometimes it's even worth using a VPN. So if you have a VPN, that is definitely something that could help you out. And you can basically change your server to make it so you're able to go ahead and get better ping, because servers that are closer to your location have lower ping, and servers that are farther away from your location actually have worse ping. So that's kind of how it works. So you can basically use like a VPN to change your location and make it so that you're closer to the actual server. And then that will just make things 100% better. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.